Activities of the BRD Compact Disc Factory, one of the most modern manufacturers of CDs, DVDs and Blu-ray discs recorded in Europe. A member of the BOD Group companies, traced back to autumn 1998, when the joint Lithuanian-German venture was established in Vilnius and the very first compact disc was manufactured a half a year later. In 2002, a brand new CD factory was opened in Vilnius. It was the most modern manufacturer of compact discs recorded in Eastern Europe. Equipment of the factory was installed in close cooperation with the German investors. The factory has implemented the reliable ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management Standard, as well as the ISO 14001-2004 Environment Management System. The factory in Vilnius kept actively increasing its production capacities, and the state-of-the-art Steg Hammer Tech CD, DVD and HD DVD production line was commissioned in the middle of 2005 in addition to the existing CD line, with annual capacity of 10 million DVDs at the beginning of 2006. The Steg Hammer Tech CD, DVD and HD DVD production line was the very first one to be commissioned in the Baltic region. In 2007, the BOD Group took one more important step by commissioning 3 brand-new 5th-generation single-use mold Pro multifunctional compact disc production lines at the BRD factory. This enabled to increase production capacities up to 70 million CDs per year. A license agreement for CD-DVD production, signed with the Dutch concern Philips in 2005, created conditions for the company to produce CD-DVD data carriers in accordance with Western top-quality standards, and in short, the status of a reliable partner in the eyes of foreign publishers. Compact discs produced by the BRD are licensed for unrestricted distribution, transportation and sales in all Philips's patent zones, which cover nearly all European and Russian markets. Companies holding Philips's license for manufacturing of universal digital CD-DVD are considered the most advanced producers of data carriers. In addition, copyright protection agreements have been signed with international and local organizations for the protection of copyrights, such as the Agency of Lithuanian Copyright Protection Association, LATGAA, Nordisk Copyright Bureau, NCB, and Copyright Agency of the Association of IT Companies, Infobot. The BRD produces a complete range of CD and DVD products existing on global markets today, including CD audio, CD-ROM, CD extra, CD video, CD photo, business card CD, 8cm CD, CDs of various shapes and odors, as well as DVD5, DVD9 and DVD10 discs storing from 4.7 GB DVD5 up to 8.5 GB and 9.4 GB of data, DVD9 and DVD10 respectively. Cooperation with the most progressive foreign and Lithuanian packaging manufacturers enables the BRD to offer its customers the widest range of modern disc packages, standard CD cases, DVD cases, plastic, paper and paperboard disc bags or envelopes, digipack, digifile and some other non-standard packaging, as well as leaflet printing, packing and lamination of product sets. The BRD takes care of expeditious and effective delivery of ready-made products to a customer's place. For this purpose, it uses its own transportation fleet or order services of leading regional and global logistics companies such as DHL, TNT, Baltius Rosco, etc., taking due care of the top quality of its services and expeditious delivery. Over a short period of time, the BRD has managed to extend the network of customers and partners from Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia to Finland, Sweden, Norway, Germany, France, Great Britain and other Western countries, as well as Russia. High-quality experts quickly and flexibly respond to each customer's needs or their changes. Strict control principles guarantee safety and security, as well as materials and information entrusted to the company, as well as high quality of final product. The BRD is outstanding for its top quality. Materials used in the production process are of the highest quality, supplied by world's well-known suppliers such as Bayer, Jerez, Morton, Marabou, Raco and Festo. All technologies are regularly upgraded following the newest trends and developments in the disc production market. All production is manufactured in strict compliance with the ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management Standard and the ISO 14001-2004 Environment Management System. CDs and DVDs are in conformity to Sony, Philips, Toshiba standards and technical specifications. Highly skilled staff and state-of-the-art equipment enable ensuring irreproachable quality of products and services. The process of compact disc manufacturing consists of the following main stages: data testing, pre-mastering and authoring, mastering, injection molding, metallizing, lacquering and bonding, product testing, disc label printing and packaging.
Data testing. First of all, we ensure that the initial data provided by the customer corresponds to the technical parameters of the disk. Data recorded in a special data storage device is tested with special testing equipment for its suitability for stamper and disk production. Pre-mastering, authoring. It is a process when the digital data provided by the customer is converted into a standardized format required for further stamper manufacturing. If parameters of the material provided by the customer do not meet the requirements for stamper and disk manufacturing, in the process of pre-mastering, technical data can be corrected. That includes standardizing for soundtracks, testing of data provided through FTP server and preparing for mass production, testing and programming of the content of DVD video disc to meet ISO standards. Mastering. At this stage, a single compact disc press form stamper is produced, which will be necessary to produce a disc blank. For stamper production, a polymeric blank is used on which, with the help of laser, information is engraved to be found in future compact discs. Pre-recorded polymeric blank is then put into a special galvanic device, in which a thin layer of nickel is applied in the process of electrolysis. The layer of nickel is then separated from the polymeric base, and this way a stamper is produced, the negative of the CD, from which all other discs will be printed. Preparing a mold. When the stamper is ready, disc printing begins. The carefully cleaned stamper is put into a mold, which is then closed, and disc molding process begins. Liquefied polycarbonate heated to 360 degrees is injected with a syringe, and a CD-DVD blank is pressed. It already contains digital information, but it still cannot be read by a laser ray, as the disc is totally transparent. In CD manufacturing process, only one disc blank is produced, which is 1.2 mm thick, while in DVD manufacturing process, 2 disc blanks are produced, each 0.6 thick, which are later glued together. Metallization. When a transparent compact disc with engraved information is ready, one side of it is coated with a layer of aluminium. It works as a mirror, reflecting a laser ray so that information could be read from the compact disc. In DVD manufacturing, the number and composition of layers of metallization depends on the form and capacity of the disc. DVD 5, DVD 9, DVD 10. Varnishing, gluing. In order to protect the thin layer of information on the compact disc, it is coated with a special varnish that is dried with ultraviolet rays. In DVD manufacturing process, disc blanks are glued together with special glue, which are also dried with ultraviolet rays, but not coated with varnish, as information is in the middle layer and requires no further protection. Drying. The disc is then placed into a drying device, where ultraviolet rays dry out the varnish or glue. Product testing. Every disc is tested with a scanner available in every production line. Discs that do not meet technical parameters are automatically rejected. Final testing is carried out in the outside tester of electronic parameters. When technical parameters meet these standards, it guarantees that any player will read the disc. Printing on the disc. A graphic design provided by the customer or created by our design department is then put on the surface of the disc by means of silkscreen printing or offset printing. The latest technologies implemented in our companies allow to color compact discs in 1 to 6 colors, also to apply an additional layer of varnish and various scents. Silkscreen printing enables us to use up to 1000 Pantone color shades, choosing from a color palette. If offset printing is used, discs are colored by CMYK method, and the number of colors is unlimited. This method of disc coloring ensures world quality standards. Packaging. The compact disc is then packed, and the choice of packaging depends on the customer. BOD Group offers a wide choice of standard plastic, cardboard and metal boxes. Upon customer's request, we print all kinds of artworks. The final product is then wrapped in cellophane, necessary stickers, cards and holograms added. Finally, compact discs are packed into boxes and prepared for delivery to the customers.
Strategically targeted development of the company, constant search of optimal solutions for the satisfaction of customer needs, improvement of staff's qualifications and regular investment into the newest technologies are the key factors enabling the BOD Group to be always one step ahead. This is also evidenced by the first Blu-ray line in the Baltic countries installed at the BOD factory in Vilnius in 2011. The name of the newest digital media Blu-ray reflects the underlying technology, which utilizes the blue-violet laser to read and write data. The name is a combination of two components: blue for blue-violet laser and ray for optical ray. Yet the character E is intentionally left out in the spelling of blue. The Blu-ray disc format was developed by the Blu-ray Disc Association, a group of leading electronics, personal computer and media manufacturers with more than 180 member companies from all over the world. A single-layer Blu-ray disc can hold 25 GBs and a dual-layer disc can hold even 50. The Blu-ray disc format can be easily extendable in the future. It includes support for multi-layer discs, which should allow the storage capacity to be increased from 100 to 200 GBs, which simply by adding more layers to the discs in the future should allow the storage capacity to be increased up to 100 or even 200 GBs. Over 9 hours of high-definition video or about 23 hours of standard definition video can fit on a 50 GB Blu-ray disc. A group of companies is also resolved to invest into a new generation laboratory research center, which will explore the Blu-ray technologies, conduct tests with plastics, and investigate into methods of improving the reliability of data recorded on a disc and reducing a percentage of defective products. Being the leader among compact disc manufacturers, the BRD is your reliable business partner.